Hello everyone, welcome to Delta Staffing, the channel that brings to you up-to-date job postings. Today we're going to be looking at two job postings, one of them being from Fedex. I know you never thought Fedex would have a work from home position, and the second one would be from Zelo. Please do not forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notifications. With that being said, let's review these job opportunities together. Okay, so just like I mentioned, we will be looking at two requirements, and the first one is a program manager lead at Fedex. I know you would not envision Fedex to have a work from home opportunity. This is a full-time role. Is it remote? It's yes. It's actually all over the United States, so feel free to apply. And of course, to apply for this role, just go to FedEx Careers and search for program manager lead role, and it should pop this role out for you. The description summary here is really responsible for coordination, execution, and status reporting of complex cross-functional and cross-opco program with a large technology component. This person would also be expected to lead large project efforts and manage issues resolutions across all phases of the cross-opco operational programs, right? And of course, this person is also expected to have an established knowledge, or of course establish and implement project management processes and methodologies for the department. Of course, it could be an agile methodology, it could be a waterfall methodology, it could be a hybrid kind of methodology. Whatever they think is the best for the organization is what they should be doing. They need for someone that has a prior knowledge of the software development lifecycle, from your design phase to your build phase to your QA phase, and of course go live and hypercare. Feel free to apply to this role if you've had prior knowledge as a project coordinator, project manager, a scrum master, even a business analyst who is aspiring to become a product or project manager. With that being said, this person needs strong internal communication skills, able to communicate complex data in a simple format to share decisions, process, update, and trade-offs to a large audience. Bonus point would be for this person to have had experience within high growth tech startup. Would also be strong influencing skills to guide leadership, business architect, product owners, agile release trends, and all stakeholders to understand visions, resources, priorities, and definition of a completion/release. Strong ability to tailor communications of complex concept to all levels in an understandable manner, right? And I'll just jump to the minimum qualifications here. Would be a bachelor's degree or equivalent in business or related quantitative discipline, a 5-year exempt experience in project/program management, product development, system design, development of business, financial planning and analysis, experience in the use of project management planning software, experience in planning major projects including development of project proposal, business cases, schedules, and financial justifications. And by no means do you need to have all of this. If you have 2 or 3 of these 5 qualifications, feel free to apply. I'm just going to jump to the salary here. The expected salary range is between $9,000 to $14,000 a month. Of course, if you do well during the interview phase, you can negotiate to get the maximum amount, even if it requires executive approval. Remember to ask for sign-on bonuses, remember to ask also for performance-based bonuses and of course shares if they are available. Please go ahead, apply to this job. Let me know what you think. If you need my help, again, comment in the comment section and I would be sure to help you. I could also help you through a one-on-one session or a resume review, whatever it is, just put in the comment section and let's go through it together. With that being said, we're jumping into the second job requirement of the day, which is a senior product manager with Zelo, right? A product manager is someone that has a very good understanding of a product or even a service or a process, right? So this person would be the liaison between the development team and of course the product team, which is the business team. This person would be the head of a frontline product team that drives the technology roadmap and enables the frontline operators to grow revenue while providing excellent partner and customer experience. They would partner with the engineering team to build these experiences and manage the core portfolio, right? This person would also need to be involved with the third-party corporate applications like Salesforce, engagement, analytics, and communication tools. So about this role, this person would be a strategic, analytical, and innovative problem solver who is passionate about delivering a delightful technology experience for internal teams. This person would be involved in defining the sales technology roadmap, informed by company objective and growth strategies, customer insight, and of course the technology landscape in partnership with engineering, operations, sales, and marketing teams. So of course, just like I spoke about in the last role, this person would also need that knowledge of working within the software development life cycle environment, be it an agile methodology, waterfall methodology, or even a hybrid methodology, working with development team. This person would apply quantitative and qualitative research to rapidly test, measure, and iterate on new product and feature ideas to increase value and reduce risk. So this person needs to understand that MVP process. What will be their go-to-market strategy? Are they going to just release the minimum viable product, or are they going to stage the minimum viable product and keep building onto it iteratively, or are they going to release it and keep building and releasing seamless improvement to that particular product? So they need to understand that. This person would act as a product owner in an agile scrum ceremony to ensure effective delivery of product initiative. Of course, this person has a better understanding of what a requirement complete is because he or she knows the requirement inside out. And when the scrum team needs to refine requirement, this is the person they turn to. The salary here is between $139,000 and $222,000. Again, always remember to negotiate your salary. Whether you find yourself within these states or not, always remember to negotiate your salary. You might actually get the maximum amount here, depending on how you did on your interview. And also remember to always ask for a sign-on bonus and of course a performance-based bonus and shares if there are any, right? With that being said, go ahead, apply to these jobs. Let me know what your feedbacks are. If you need me to have a one-on-one session with you, I'm available. Just leave me a comment or a note in the comment section, or if you want me to review your resume, I'm all up for it. And briefly, let's just jump into the qualifications here. 4 years as a product manager with direct product ownership, experience operating in an agile development environment, proven experience driving product development within the sales tech ecosystem, conversant in UI design. You're not expected to be hands-on, but just working with the UI UX designs, understanding their mock-ups or wireframes, and of course making sure that each wireframes or mock-up has the basic functionality to meet your MVP. Excellent decision making skills, able to make trade-off decisions, product decision solutions and suggestions are accurate and successful when judged over time, right? And that was it for today. Like I said, please feel free to apply and let me know what you think. And if this was value added, please subscribe, hit on the subscribe button, like, and turn on your notifications. Until next time, stay blessed.